This is a 78-year-old dog fountain nestled between the Esplanade bike path and Storrow Drive. Never seen it? You've probably walked right by.
It's a really sweet little gem that has been often overlooked. But there's a really great story behind the Lotta Fountain about Lotta Crabtree.
Lotta Crabtree was a famous vaudeville performer in the late 19th century. By the age of 8, she was touring around mining camps in California, where audiences would throw coins and gold nuggets onto the stage. After a long and successful career, Crabtree retired to Boston as the wealthiest self-made actress of her generation. She never married, never had kids. When she died, Crabtree left more than half of her $4 million fortune to charity. Using some of the money in her trust, a statue was erected at what was once the center of the Boston Esplanade. Originally, it was supposed to provide water for passing men, dogs, horses, and birds.
She was really before her time taking care of animals.
To design the top of the fountain, the architect called on Boston's most renowned animal sculptor, Katharine Lane Weems. Her work is scattered all over the city.
Early in the 20th century, there were not many professional women artists. She has a little something in common with Lotta Crabtree in that she was a working woman, a career artist, and she married very late in life. At first, she was working with a Cocker Spaniel model. She wrote in her diary that she visited a set of Cocker Spaniel puppies. Eventually, she decided that a Cocker Spaniel did not have the right comportment and maybe attitude for this architectural sculpture.
This was actually modeled after her own dog, a Schipperke named Poulette.
It sort of sits at attention, and the fountain itself has a very subtle Art Deco flavor to it. The font, the subtle ways that it is stylized, I think add to its unique spirit on the Esplanade, and I think underscores this really interesting story of the woman who funded the project and Katharine Lane Weems, who provided the artwork that was incorporated into it.
The Esplanade Association, which works in partnership with the DCR, completed a restoration of the fountain this summer. So today's dogs can benefit from the charity of a turn-of-the-century vaudeville star.